Hello, Klasse 10. I thought I thought I'd make a little video to try and explain this a little better about the adjective endings. So if we have a look at this table here, where you've got the simple subject case, nominative. Yeah, nominative is the subject, the person or thing who is doing the action. Now that can be misleading because doing the action can be simply being. Yeah. So der Mann ist 40. The man is 40. So he is being 40. So it is a doing word. There is a verb involved, but there's no action per se, right? But the verb sein belongs to der Mann, all right? So it's der Mann, die Frau, das Kind, die Kinder. Then we've got the accusative. So remember, there are prepositions that take the accusative, but also it is the object or direct object case. Okay. So if I have a pen, I am the subject. The verb have, to have, belongs to me. What is it that I have? I have a pen. So the pen is the direct object. So there we need to use this here, accusative. So we either say, ich habe den Kuli, or ich habe einen Kuli. Ich habe den Kuli, or ich habe einen Kuli. Yeah? It's only the masculine that changes in the accusative. The rest is die, das, and die. Then we've got the dative, the dative, which is the indirect object case, or it belongs to various prepositions. So prepositions can make things dative. I won't talk about that just now. Just have a look at the table. So der words become dem words. Die words become der words. Das words become dem words. So let's talk about I have a pen. Okay. I am going to give the pen now. So I give, ich gebe. So the verb geben belongs to the subject, in this case me. What do I give? I give the direct object, the pen. Now, if I give the pen to the boy becomes the indirect object. To whom does the subject give the object? Yeah. So I give the pen. To whom do I give the pen? I give the pen to the boy. Ich gebe den Kuli dem Jungen. So, der Junge becomes dem Junge. Okay. Let's have a look at, say we're saying a dative phrase with a dative preposition. Let's say we'll use the pen again. Where is the pen? The pen is on the table. Der Kuli ist auf dem Tisch. So we've got der Tisch. Change this to dem Tisch. Yeah. If you just use the preposition in a dative sense, within. Yeah. So we've got die Stadt. Wo bist du? Ich bin in der Stadt. Yeah. Then we can say, I am in the classroom. das Klassenzimmer, in dem Klassenzimmer. Okay, so that's basically what we've got to think about. Is it a der word? Is it a die word? Is it a das word? Or is it a plural word? A der word, if it's accusative, becomes den. A der word, if it's a dative, becomes dem. And it becomes des in the genitive. We're not going to talk about that just now, though. All right, we'll stick with nominative, accusative, and dative. Die words, stay die words in accusative, but change the der in dative. Das stays das in the accusative, but becomes dem in the dative. Okay. Now, if we have a look at adjective endings that follow the definite article or the words. Der nette Mann. So we've got der nette Mann. Die nette Frau. Das nette Kind. In the accusative, den netten Mann. So, for instance, do you know the nice man? Kennst du den netten Mann? Die nette Frau, das nette Kind. In the dative, dem, we need en on the end of the adjective. Dem netten Mann. Der netten Frau, dem netten Kind, den netten Leuten. Okay? So I've color-coded it to show where things correlate. And you can see that these are mainly green en endings. So most of the time, apart from here, you've got en endings. All right? Now, if we do not have a the word, we have an indefinite article, a or no / not any. Now, if we look at the nominative, yeah, a nice man, a nice woman, a nice kid, no nice people. Here, we haven't got a marker. We haven't got something that tells us that it's masculine. We haven't got a der. If we had a der there, it would just be der nette man. But because we haven't got a der, we need to show that it's masculine in the adjective. Ein netter Mann. So, for instance, ist ein netter Mann. Eine nette Frau, ending. Das ist eine nette Frau. Here again, we don't have a das to show us that it's a das word. This is a neuter word, yeah? So we need to put it in the adjective. Ein nettes Kind. So you might say, das ist ein nettes Kind. That's a nice child, all right? Sie sind keine netten Leute. They are not nice people. In the accusative, we say, kennst du einen netten Mann? Do you know a nice man? Kennst du eine nette Frau? Kennst du ein nettes Kind? Kennst du keine netten Leute? Do you not know any nice people? And then we've got the dative, einem netten Mann, einer netten Frau, einem netten Kind, keinen netten Leuten. Okay, so it's a matter of looking at what have you got. All right, is it accusative? Is it masculine accusative? So der changes to den. And then if we've got den and an adjective, den netten. All right. If it's dative, der becomes dem netten Mann. But if you haven't got a der word, ein netter Mann, einen netten Mann, einem netten Mann. So if we have a look at this, das kleine Dorf liegt in einem Tal in den schweizerischen Bergen. The small village liegt, is situated in, now this is going to be dative, okay, because where is it? Is in a valley, in einem Tal, in plural, Swiss mountains. We've got mit here. Ich bin mit meinem jüngeren Bruder. So if we have a look here, dative meinem jüngeren Bruder. Okay. I'm going to leave it there, and I might make a different video just to try and make it a little clearer. Let's bring this to view, okay. And you've got that there, okay. So, let me know if that was helpful or not.